Welcome! Today in front of me I have the HOLY STONE HS720G drone, as you can clearly see, and in this video I will unbox it and we'll together see what accessories and items it comes with. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start unboxing this drone. So let me first find how to properly take it out of the box. So here you have the sliding part probably, or not really. So everything that you should get comes with this neat travel bag that is branded with the HOLY STONE logo. So that's convenient. Let's maybe see what claims the box have. Not many really. No use to us. Let's just go ahead and unzip this case then and actually see what we are working with. So pretty standard stuff: the aircraft, the remote controller, and this box probably contains wires, connectors, and well, replacement propellers, for example. So you get those. That's a nice thing to have. So those are the replacement propellers or fan blades. Well, not fan, just blades. Those are the data connection cables as well as the screwdrivers, so you get those alongside the drone. We also get the battery. Yep, by the looks of it, it is indeed the battery for the drone. So let's see. Yep, and the drone itself comes with the battery taken out. So as far as I can see, the amounts of batteries that you get is one. So single battery. But for a drone of that caliber, I think that's fine. And of that price, of course. And well, it seems like that's about it. So that's what the remote controller looks like. So let me unfold everything that can be unfolded here. So this one is the phone stand, and well, that's how you operate it. Pretty regular stuff. And then here, could have noticed that we get a bunch of paperwork, so let me also review it and see whether it contains anything of use or anything useful really. Caution, some safety warnings, and the instructions for use, or the user manual in English, and in my case Deutsch or German. And well, I guess that's the unboxing for you guys, so should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.